Yes, I was part of the 14 that you counted. No,
all right, Kubeka, tell us other speakers because Kolabanga Kulu.
The second stage. I'm serving as the Vice Chairperson of the Southern Consumer Forum and also here representing the young people of this country. It is unfortunate that today, Sidela application that is being motivated by data 2024, 2025, when this is 2025-2026, which was granted increase on the 3rd of February 2025. Whatever the grant will apply 2025-2026 and 2026-2027. Sisasekhona khona lapho nje angeke isi asikhothele ukuthi yena uexpiratione ma purchase agreements la beka wathi even before the application that we discussed last year ukuthi aya expire in 2025 bekumele konke lokho akutharishe naka apply EEC ngaleso sikhathi leso. We are applying EEC, we are told grant from ESERA, we are reverse the minister, and the regulator together with the utility. You keep quiet, you don't challenge the ministry and give him the justification because the thing that they must do that 2024 December. You already knew that when the minister was replacing the reward, but you decided to keep quiet because as consumers, we cannot afford electricity. And also, it can't happen that we can have capital contributions. Look, so my customers now 104 million. Ube kune Ministry of Natural Resources they receive billions is itawufaka le mali leyo ku-energy. Yandeni ESERA na isi ukuthi le mali leyo isebente kuthi isabheke la enzabeni tariffs. Ngisitshela ngendaba ye-rural electrification. Yabani le-rural electrification? You guys, you are setting a trap for us. Yet you are yourself, you are contributing to climate damage. Because eventually you are going to go back to the energy, you are eventually going to go back to the energy, the demand. Okay. In that graph by Babel Code, what is the number one thing they keep on increasing without control? Is about import. Angege ema import asale anganyu. Usho something low ngani lapha ematafuleni discussa le things about the budgeting and plan. Usho need the vision la when they ihlale phasi nibuke into. You can't increase the number of consumers on the same grid. Ungagenerate lutho ungaze ukuthi lama imports are down because la mali lama grants siyawathola nithi rural 85 ngabe lama grants lawo asebenza ukuthi le live leli generate le gesi. Like generator gas it has been discussed for years and years. We got license last year. They only imagine the license so can solo all the time. All the time you are quoting one and the same things as motivation for when you gas. Yet go tell into the Zibona or Nenda Makuka 2025 so we are improved so yekelani kudlala logesi sitameba simjube simyekele emvalo usitoyito yakhe isikunyiwa kwakhe.